My name is Comrade Emeka Emerole, your own comrade. Yes, like I said, there is dignity in labor. Do anything you can. Spend the money you work for, and you'll be proud that you made the money yourself. Whether you're a former worker or a former worker, spend the money you worked for. Today, I'm talking about Amalgamated Union of App-Based Transporters of Nigeria, AUATON, AUATON. This is a union of all e-hailing drivers. When I say e-hailing driver, people are, what is e-hailing? Electronics hailing. Instead of using your hand to say, hey, taxi. No, you use your phone, your device to hail a taxi. So it's electronics hailing with your phone, your devices, internet. You hail a taxi. That is the industry we are talking about. Amalgamated Union of App-Based Transporters of Nigeria. That is the union that covers every one of them in this Nigeria. And we are proud we have this union. And we are affiliated with Nigerian Labour Congress. We are proud of that. And when you talk about AUATON, how did it come about? AUATON, when the industry came to Nigeria back then, 2016, so many people in Lagos, in Port Harcourt, in Abuja, other parts of the country were having WhatsApp groups. Some of us, we joined WhatsApp. From WhatsApp, we had an association. From association, we began to see the things, the errors on the app companies, and we felt, no, it's time to have a union. The association began to fight for drivers. From the association, we registered with CAC. From there, it wasn't enough. We became a coalition of associations. So many associations came together, become a coalition. It didn't solve the problem. We approached government. Yes, we approached government. We need a union. We need a trade union. We need to be recognized. And finally, thanks to His Excellency Dr. Chris Ngige, the past administration of Muhammadu Buhari, the then Minister of Labour, he approved the union in 2022 and said, yes, you can be a trade union, and AUATON today became a trade union. And I ask, how did it come about? Why the name Amalgamated Union? Because some of these associations came together, become a coalition. It became three. There were three coalitions then, I would say. We'll have the one we called National Union of E-Hailing Professionals, NUEBs, NUPABs. We call them NUPABs. We'll have PEDPA, Professional E-Hailing Drivers, PEDPA, that was based in Lagos, PEDPA. And we'll have the third one, NACOP, National Coalition of Ride Sharing Professionals, NACOP also. So we have these three. They came together and said, no, let's have a union. And that's how we became amalgamated. Three blocks, three coalitions came together and became the amalgamated union you're hearing today. That is a brief history of the union. And since then, the AUATON has been pushing for more. And I tell you, AUATON will get more out of the government. See you soon when we will talk about the leadership, everything about AUATON. Thank you. I remember my humble self, Comrade Emeka Emerole, your own comrade.